Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, March the 9th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of the Trading Room. I sound like I'm going fast. I am because I'm in a trade and it's it's a very whippy one, so I'm going to have to keep a close eye on it. But anyway, here is the address to get into the room. Free Trading Room. Omnovia, great platform. Omnovia. It's free trading room. When I say free, I'm live on the mic all day long, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I share my screen also. If you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link to use. So I am in, well, I can bring up the big chart too. I'm in Blue Buffalo right now. This is an earnings play. I've already been in this before, 2210, right around here. 2210, I got in. Sold some at 2261 and sold at 2240 and 2250 on this pullback. Now I'm back in at 2319, sorry, 2318. Just as I was starting this video, it had a nice little pop. So just having to keep a close eye on it. Don't want to let it get back down below 2318 for sure, but I want to see if I can get a bit of a run in it, maybe challenge the 24 level. This is an earnings play. Very few earnings plays now. This one, I can't even remember the other ones, but this is the one that caught our eye in the pre-market because look at this. This is where it closed yesterday, and this is where it opened. So caught our eye in the pre-market. One of the things about having fewer earnings plays is that there are obviously a lot of people out there that love to play earnings. So now it's possible, with the fewer earnings plays that you can get concentrated action on the fewer ones. When you have great, nice. Sorry, little cheerleading here. Might have to take some off just in case. Just 1 second. Yeah, it's always fun doing a live one. Okay, I actually took some out at 2360. And let's see what happens with the rest of it. Okay, so anyway, exciting, very exciting. In fact, I jokingly said in the room, I should do the video because when I was doing the video, when I started the video, it was just hanging around where the price I bought it. And sometimes when I do the video, I get things like this happening. So good for me, hopefully. And I know a lot of other people are in the room with it. Now, the other one that I'm still holding on to is this one over here. Now I want to get rid of the symbol linking on here. I think that's what the problem is. I just want to keep an eye on this one, obviously. Is ORBC. ORBC, and I'm actually in here at, what is my price on ORBC? Is 948, okay? So I've actually, I was going to get out at 938. I was with literally a penny of being stopped out several times. You see, the bid never got down to 938. Had it got down to 938, I was out, but it never got down there. But I'm just sort of hanging on to this one. This came on the options plays magic. There have been some, well, in fact, this is the one that's killing me that I missed it. Amid, look at Amid. The alert for Amid was 40.79, so almost $1 from there. And Buffalo continues to romp. This is great. Nice patience, really. I know a lot of the people were in it, and I watched this as it was trying to hold 23 for the longest period of time. Look at this candle there. This was a bad one because it was up here, and then all of a sudden it whipped back, and then it recovered a little bit, and then it got back over 22 or 23 again. But this candle probably got a lot of people out who were, just in this level at 23 and hoping it would pop. But anyway, the other one I'm looking at right now is PSG, and I'm looking to get into it. There's the high of the day is 336. High of the day. Looking to get back into. I was in this one earlier, and I got stopped out for a little loss. And this is one, of course. Well, if you don't know the news, this has been, I guess, has filed for bankruptcy, I think. So you look at the daily chart, and yeah, I mean, here it is. So bad day yesterday, obviously, but it's like anything else. I'm not looking to marry it. If it has a little bit of a pop, maybe if it gets over 336 and gets into the 340s, I would probably take it out. I certainly would never be holding this, but anyway. Or this could be all she wrote. I mean, this could be it, and then it could just sink from here. So I'm just going to wait for 336 and see what happens. And let's see the other one. Let me just put buff on here. Oops, second. Just have to watch buff. I don't want it to fall down on me, obviously. Okay, and get rid of the symbol linking. So the symbol linking isn't there. So there's the buff. The other one that was interesting for me was WUBA, WUBA. No, sorry, WBA. No, that didn't look right. Now this came from the, must have been on the 5. Yeah, there we are. See, there's the 5-minute RBI right there. And I watched this one. And see, where did I get in? 82.38. Let me make sure I'm right. I don't think I'm right here. Just one second. Yeah, sorry about that. It was not from the RBI. Actually, it was something that I had set yesterday as a trigger using our limit alerts, and you can see WBA. I had set a trigger at $82. And why did I do that? Is if you take a look at the daily chart. So at 82, it had this nice little gap up to about 87 if it could clear this area. So that is the reason I took it. I got confused there because I thought that was actually another RBI. But anyway, let me get back to the 15 minutes. So took it at 82 on that break. Not quite at 82 actually. This really whipped up, and I actually got in very, very late. Got in at 82.38, but it just looked like it had so much power. Right here, and look, it got up to 83.12. I did not trade it right there, but as this came down, I got out of it about 82.72. I see. So just a really, again, there's so many ways to use trade ideas, and I'm calling this trade ideas premium. There are several premium additives, I guess we can call it, if we want to use a gasoline analogy, but we've got the limit alerts. We've got, of course, our AI/Holly, and we also have all the preview of the GBIs and the RBIs. So it's not just about AI Holly. We'd have a lot of things going on that, for a one-time license fee, just a one-time fee, you get them all forever. And what that basically means is that if you take off for a month or so, or a year, or whatever, and you don't want to trade anymore, and you come back to Trade Ideas, all these premium products are still waiting for you. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to re-up on any of them. Okay, that's it. I'm just obviously keeping an eye on Buff. It is still hanging around 23.30. So that turned into be just a great trade, great patience trade, really. Just kept watching it and watching it and watching it as it held 23. So it turned out to be a really nice trade. Okay, I'm going to close some of these down, and that is it, as I also am watching PSG, of course. PSG. Second. I think it ran away from me. Oh, shoot. You know what? That's bad. That is bad, 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 bad. I missed out on this. I have to see if I want it still. Okay, I'm closing down, and then I have to scramble back to see if I'm going to be able to take this one. What an awesome alert! Okay, everybody. Well, if you like this, if you like what's happening, you can't get much better than this. This is a free room. You can come on in as a guest. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. Again, I'm live on the mic 9 to 4 every single day, and I share my screen. This is the link to use for a subscription to Trade Ideas. Use this link, please, if you're going to. Helps the room. It keeps it free. Okay? Thanks very much, and we'll see you tomorrow.